Côté moi parler petit moi. Et bien, je vais regarder télévision parce que l'épisode 2 après sorti, zombie dans le là. Vous comprenez moi?
Je comprends. Tout le monde regarde zombie dans le là. Les belles.
Voilà petit point. On a regardé là. On a allé. Marchez devant. Zombie dans le là. Attendez.
C'est ça.
Ok, petit. On a allé. Seulement que je suis là, mais qu'on y a, mais on va aller mon choix. De tout côté, bah ouais. C'est moi avec là seulement. Comment ça se passe? À la chambre. C'est chargé, merci. Maybe because I don't believe you, but something going on. And something really going on. It's a thing that nobody see. And it just start. Tant that nous dans la carrière, tout bagage est normal, mais qu'on y a où est tout ça gain. Tu regardes les mouchoirs. Jam na siya mo Oh, Gabriel.
Yes?
Remember? I'll be back. I'm going to the library.
I want to stay here by myself.
Ma vin kounye la. Ou pas besoin de faire une cala pour compte. C'est vous-même qui connaissez où on va dans cala. On pas pourquoi je suis comprendre nous. OK? Ou pas besoin de compte. Ma vin dans la librairie ma vin. OK? OK? All right, you got your phone. If something happens, just call me. OK? All right, bye. Be back.
Jodi a se fête ménage moi. Ça me balé comme cadeau. Moi t'as des sons beaucoup à beau sale. Pral balou with la patou. Moi t'as des sons beaucoup à beau sale. Mal balé you bobo. Jodi a se fête ménage moi. Ça me balé comme cadeau. Moi t'as des sons beaucoup à beau sale. Pral balou with la patou. Moi t'as des sons beaucoup à beau sale. Mal balé you bobo.
Crazy. Nice. What is going on here? Wow. Faut passer comme ça. All cabinet is open. Toutes chaises yoga here. Chairs all over the place. Oh, ça vient là. Allez, tiens, ici. Gabriel!
Yes.
Come here. Hey, what is going on here? Why all these cabinets open?
I don't know.
I want to hear it. What's going on?
I don't know.
You don't know? You see? Did you see? Good. Chair. Two chairs you là, oui. Fire. You don't forget that place là? Tell me something. I just went to the library and come back, so everything was closed. Now the chair is all over the place and cabinet is open. You say you don't know?
It wasn't me.
Huh?
It wasn't me.
It wasn't you? Where were you?
In my room.
Look. Look at that. Look. Come on, look. Look. Open. Tu bagas ça ouvrir. Ou ne kay là. Ou tu ne vas connaître. Ou est-ce que tu es mourir? Ok, c'est son monde qui fait ça, tout ça, en fait, nous parlons de quel bruit fait là, même. Nous parlons de fait là. Okay, you know what? Hey, I'm the stupid one. Okay, you know, I don't know how to leave my house. Je ne sais pas comment je vais là. Quand il y a pour nous, nous ne pouvons pas avoir un nid fait, nous parlons de bruit, un nid, et puis tout chaise gaillé, tout le bagage écrasé dans la là. Mais kitchen cabinet open door. Et là, on peut, non? Mais, très bien. Oh. Nice. You know what? I'm the dumb one. You know? This is a dream. Wow. Is that funny?
No.
It is. It's very funny. Money quitte nous là. Bon, la derrière. Pour nous donner, pour nous faire tout des autres là, qu'on a 10 mois ça, nous pas connaît. Tête nous pas bon. I'm the crazy one. Okay, look. Since you don't know what's going on, go to your room. Go. Thank you. Oh my God. Si vous ne connaissez mon fouillé. that? Something.
There's something in my bed.
Something in your bed.
There's something in my bed. It's the same thing I saw last time.
Same thing you saw last time. Come on. Something in your bed. Oh. This? Is it? There's what in your bed?
No.
C'est ça que tu as besoin?
There was something else in my bed.
Something else in your bed. Yeah, you got a phone, a computer, headphones, and this thing. Hey, listen, let me ask you something about this. I've been seeing you with this thing right here around the house. Where did you get this thing from? What is it? Who gave it to you?
I found it when I was cleaning.
You found this?
Yeah.
When you was cleaning up? Yeah, I seen you with this stuff. It look good anyway. Now you have a friend. But just to let you know, something really going on in your head. Okay? Mbapka kito nakala pou kontou. Sa fok gomba ki fet. Parce mon nan kaban nou nan chamou ou mon bagay. Yo nan chamou ou mon bagay. Tout kontou passe ou mon bagay. Bon même pas ko jam ka wè. Tifi, mba konen sa ka passe kon sa. Mba konen se jo seulement ka wè. You only one that can see things. Nobody else.
Daddy!
What?
It's right behind you.
What behind me?
The ghost.
What? The ghost?
It's right there.
Where?
It's right behind you.
Where?
It's right next to you.
Are you serious?
It's right there.
Where?
It's right behind you.
Are you serious about that now? Are you
The ghost
serious?
is right there.
Ghost is right there. Ghost in your room. Ghost in my room. Ghost everywhere. Ghost outside. You see a ghost. You know what? Let me tell you something. This is too serious now. Let's go. I'm gonna talk to you about it seriously. So Stanley! Yeah. Come here. Okay, listen, man. We have a situation here. It's about your sister. Okay? It's been a couple of days since she's acting different. Okay? She thinks she saw something in the house. Supposed to be a ghost.
A ghost?
A ghost. Okay? Okay, now she's very afraid. Okay? She cannot be by herself anymore. You need to stay with her.
I don't think I can do that.
What do you mean you don't think you can do that? I'm asking you to stay with your sister because she's afraid. She's afraid.
Why not?
She cannot be alone anymore. Okay, she say she saw something in my room. In her room, I was outside to clean the yard. She said she saw something behind me. That means they get too serious now. Okay, you understand? She's afraid. C'est ou père. Il dit ouais bagay nan ka la gen job. Ou supposé que avec l'aime pas là.
I don't know about that. I got things to handle.
Okay, listen to me, man. I'm asking. I'm not just asking you if you could do that. I'm asking to stay with your sister because she is afraid. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. You. I need to find someone to talk to because back on it, but you get very serious. Parce que moi-même, pas qu'à voir qui sont dire. C'est dim, DM, il y a un caille, il y a ceci, il y a l'autre bord, où est-ce que vous avez Don't call me say you saw something in the room again. Shit. Ça me fait là, monsieur. Petit fille a dit, il ouais bagay dans caille là. Pour son caille m'acheter, nous gagne un dans caille là. M'pas comme ça me fait là non. Parce que faut me chercher un monde qui peut venir là pour parler à mademoiselle. Parce que moi m'pas rien dans caille là. M'pas rien. Qui doit dans bas yo tout parce que parti le bini tout cabinet open, the whole cabinet was open, the chairs moving. Comme pas c'est dit pas grand rien dans la parce que l'aime qui sorti when I left the house the whole cabinet was closed, the chair was in place. Now when I returned this something sound creepy. I started feeling it. Je dis que tu as menti. Et pourtant, tu as un bagage dans le carreau, monsieur. Ça me fait là. I'm going to start looking close to her. Because probably something happened now. Maybe. Because the cabinet tell me something different about, you know, I'm not gonna keep saying she's lying. She may see something, I don't know. What's going on? Hey, what's going on?
Pulché Michel, Miss Dior.
Nangonosa, baby, oh nangonosa, nangonosa, Jeje oh nangonosa, Noël Guillaume,
Claudine Bakayoko.
je suis chrétien, mon amour est musulman. Nous voulons nous marier, mais on est confronté à des problèmes. Yeah. Nangonosa, baby, oh nangonosa. Jeje ou nangonosa. Nos parents nous demandent de nous convertir, chacun à la religion de l'autre. Ça devient compliqué.